Good morning! Welcome to our math class. For this morning, we will be discussing arithmetic sequence. Here are our objectives for this morning. First is for you to illustrate an arithmetic sequence. And second is for you to demonstrate arithmetic terms of an arithmetic sequence. So what is first the difference between sequences and series? Sequence is list with commas, while series is indicated sum. Example of sequence is 3, 8, 13, and 18. For series, it is 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18. So now, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is defined as a sequence in which there is a common difference between consecutive terms. So which of the following sequences are arithmetic? Identify the common difference. First example, you have -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Is it an arithmetic sequence? Yes, very good, because they have the common difference of 2. How about the example number 2? 15.5, 14, 12.5, 11, 9.5, and 8. Is it an arithmetic sequence? Yes, very good, because they have the common difference of -1.5. How about example number 3? 84, 80, 74, 66, 56, and 44. Is it an arithmetic sequence? No, very good, because they don't have the same common difference. How about the fourth example? -8, 6, -4, 2, and 0. Is it an arithmetic sequence? Yes, very good. It is not an arithmetic sequence because they don't have the same common difference. How about the last example? -50, -44, -38, -32, and -26. Is it an arithmetic sequence? Yes, because they have the common difference of 6. So, always remember that the common difference is always the difference between any term and the term that precedes that term. Example, -26, -21, -16, -11, and -6. What do you think is the common difference? Very good. The common difference is 5. So, here is the general form of an arithmetic sequence. The first term is denoted by A sub 1. The second term is denoted by A sub 2 is equal to A sub 1 plus D. The third term is denoted as A sub 3 is equal to A sub 1 plus 2 times the common difference. The fourth term is denoted by A sub 4 is equal to A sub 1 plus 3 times the common difference. The fifth term is denoted by A sub 5 is equal to A sub 1 plus 4 times the common difference. And the nth term is denoted by A sub n. That would be equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times the common difference, which is d. So here is the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. This is called the recursive formula. So it is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, and n is the term number, and d is the common difference. Always remember that if we know any of three of this, we ought to be able to find the fourth. So here is an example of arithmetic sequence: 79, 75, 71, 67, and 63. And you are to find the 32nd term using the recursive formula. But first, you have to identify the given. So here are the givens. Your a sub 1, which is your first term, would be equal to 79. Your d, or the common difference, is negative 4. And n is 32. So using the formula, you will have to substitute the value. So an is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. What is your a sub n? Okay, very good. Your a sub n now will be a sub 32 is equal to your first term is 79, very good, plus the quantity of your n, which is 32 minus 1 multiplied to negative 4, which is your common difference, and it will give you an answer of a sub 32 is equal to negative 45. So it means that the 32nd term of this arithmetic sequence is negative 45. Very good. Example number 2. 79, 75, 71, 67, and 63. What do you think will be the problem? So you are to find the term number, which is negative 169. So what term number is negative 169 in this sequence? So identify first what are givens. First, you have your first term, which is 79. Your common difference is negative 4. And your a sub n is equal to negative 169. So using again the recursive formula, we will substitute the values of the given into the formula. So you have a sub n, which is negative 169. And your a sub 1, which is your first term, as 79. Plus the quantity of your n, which is the unknown, minus 1 times the common difference of negative 4. And maneuver the equation, and you will come up with n is equal to 63. So therefore, the 63rd term of this sequence is negative 169. Okay, another example. You have a sub n is equal to 3.25 and your a sub 12 is equal to 4.25. You are to find the first term. So identify what are givens. Alright, so you have a sub 10 is equal to 3.25. Your common difference is 0.5. And your n is 10. To solve, use again the recursive formula. So you have an is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Again, what is your a sub n? Alright, you will have 3.25 is equal to a sub 1 plus what is your n? Your n is 10 minus 1. What is the common difference? 0.5. And you have to maneuver the equation and you will come up with a sub 1 is equal to negative 1.25. Very good. So, let's proceed to the application of arithmetic sequence in our day-to-day living. So, every day, a radio station asks a question for a prize of $150. If the fifth caller doesn't answer correctly, the prize money increased by $150 each day until someone correctly answers their equation. So your task is you have to make a list of the prize amounts for a week from Monday to Friday. If the contest starts on Monday and no one answers the question correctly all week. Okay, I will give you a minute to answer the question. Okay, so very good. I hope you have the same answer that Monday you will have $150 because it is the start of the competition. If on Monday they don't receive correct answer, on Tuesday the prize will be $300, and on Wednesday you will still add up $150 if no one answers the question correctly. And on Thursday, again, you will add $150 if on Thursday no one got the correct answer. And on Friday, you will have $750. So always remember that these prize amounts form a sequence. More specifically, each amount is a term in an arithmetic sequence. To find the next term, we just add $150. So that would be the end of our discussion for this morning. So I would like you to visit our Google Classroom for your assessment. Thank you and good morning.